Welcome back to my channel. You know, one of the things that like right now it's a rainy day, and I don't like to run my machines down in this mud, and I've been cutting firewood down there, and today it's just going to be cloudy and rainy and muddy, so we're going to do an inside job today. One of the things I wanted to tell you about is, you know, one of the important things is your truck, and death wobble. I experienced death wobble twice in my life, and one time was in my my Jeep. I had a 4-door Jeep, and I experienced death wobble on the freeway, and it was horrendous. And I wanted to tell you guys what I learned about it. It's easy to fix, but if you actually check it ahead of time, you won't experience it, and you don't really want to experience it. So anyway, recently on my Dodge, I have a 2016 Dodge 2500, and I was traveling about 5 hours away from my property, and I was towing a trailer, and I experienced death wobble on the freeway. And right away I kind of knew what to look for, and I'm gonna show you right now how I fixed it, and yeah, let's go. And then also I'm going to the way that I fixed it was I ended up installing a brand new track bar, and the track bar kind of messes with the steering a little bit, so we're going to adjust our steering wheel at the same time. Anyway, yeah, let's go do that. And yeah, death wobble. It's probably one of the most scary things if you're in a car. And when I was in the truck, it was so bad. I thought I blew out a tire actually, but it was just the death wobble, and it is scary. Anyway, let's get under the car and I'll show you how I fixed it. Okay, so the first thing you want to look for when you're looking to see what caused your death wobble is to check all your joints, like, you know, see if there's anything loose. Now, what I learned from the Jeep was the track bar. So now this is a brand new track bar from Thurin, and I'll leave a link in the description for these guys. But this track bar is super heavy duty, and it throws off your steering just a little bit. But what happened was after the Dodge death wobble happened, I got under the car, and I had it in park, and I had my wife put the steering wheel back and forth, and you could see a 1/2 inch of play back and forth on the top right up here of this track bar, and I knew right away that was what caused it. But you really want to check all your different joints around and make sure there's nothing that's loose, and or something that's, you know, maybe wore out. But yeah, that was the cause of the track bar. Now right up here, you see right here, you got this big chunk right here. Now what we're going to do, I need to adjust my steering. So we need to, these are welded. Oh my God, it looks like they don't turn much. So in order to adjust my steering, I need to get a pipe wrench and twist this one way or the other to straighten out my steering wheel. So that's what we're going to do right now. Okay, so right here you can see my wheels are straight, but my steering wheel is cocked to the left. So what we're going to do is we're going to adjust that bolt on the bottom and see if we can't straighten this out. And there you go. Steering wheel back to being straight, wheels straight, and death wobble solved. And there you go. Death wobble fixed. Steering wheel straightened. Yeah, it can be pretty scary. Anyway, yeah, thanks very much for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you next time. Later.
Work hard, get dough. I can't get no sleep, please make my life more simple.